There are many types of mutual funds. Index funds are super popular because it's a broad investment strategy. It's one of the most popular indexes out there is the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 index fund represents 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. The allocation is based on the market value of the company. So the larger the company, the larger the allocation. This is Fidelity's S&P 500 index fund. And again, it's the top 500 largest companies in the United States. And so you can see the allocation in the top 10 companies, which represent 36% of the portfolio. Your largest investment would be in Apple. Second largest would be Microsoft, 6%, Nvidia, Amazon, 4%, Meta, 3%, and then Berkshire Hathaway is 1.7%. And the nice thing about this strategy is it performs very well. You can look at some of the returns here. Performance, last 10 years it's averaged 13%. Lifetime, I believe, of this fund is about 11%. So you can see that there at the top of your screen. Warren Buffett, we talked about him, Berkshire Hathaway being the 10th largest holding. He has stated that when he is no longer around, his trust for his wife is set up so that 90% of the trust will be invested in the S&P 500 and 10% in cash equivalents. So that just gives you an idea of the confidence that he has in investing in the S&P 500 index fund. When picking a mutual fund, you're choosing a strategy and you're choosing a portfolio manager. And I do like how some of these funds are managed. This Oakmark Select is comprised of only 20 stocks. You have the objective there. It's a non-diversified fund, 20 stocks that seeks long-term capital appreciation by investing in mid to large cap companies. You can see the performance here in this graph. If you invested $10,000 in this fund in November of 1996 and held it till today, it'd be worth approximately $236,000. Now this fund has outperformed the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is represented on the dark blue line, and the green line is the Oakmark Select Fund. So over that period, which is approximately 24 plus 28 years, your $10,000 would have grown to $140,000 in an S&P 500 index fund, and your $10,000 would have grown to $236,000 in this Oakmark Select Fund. We briefly touched on stock index funds and actively managed funds. I hope this helps you with your investing journey. Thanks.